Perimeter is a measure of the distance around a polygon. Let's explore some different ways to find the perimeter of this rectangle. One way to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle is to find the length of each side and then add the side lengths. So, we add 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, which equals 18. The perimeter of this rectangle is 18 centimeters. In a rectangle, opposite sides have the same length. So, another way to calculate the perimeter is to double the length, double the width, and add the results. So we take the length, which is 5 centimeters, and double it. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we take the width, which is 4 centimeters, and double it. 4 times 2 is 8. Next, we add the two products. 10 plus 8 is 18. The perimeter of this rectangle is 18 centimeters. We can describe this method using a rule. For any rectangle, the perimeter is equal to the length times 2 plus the width times 2. A rule described with an equation like this is called a formula. A third way to calculate the perimeter is to add the length and width and then double this sum. Add the length and width. 5 plus 4 is 9. Double the sum. 9 times 2 is 18. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 18 centimeters. We can describe this method using a different formula. For any rectangle, the perimeter is equal to the length plus the width multiplied by 2. Notice the brackets in the formula. They indicate that the addition must be performed before the multiplication. When doing mathematics, we often look for the most efficient way to solve a problem. We used 3 different methods to find the perimeter of a rectangle. In the first method, we added all 4 side lengths. In the second method, we doubled the length, doubled the width, and then added. In the third method, we added the length and the width, and then doubled the sum. All 3 methods will give the correct answer, but many people find the third method to be the most efficient because it involves only 2 steps. Do you agree? Now let's think about different ways to find the perimeter of this square. A square is a rectangle, so we could use any of the methods we used for rectangles. Is there a more efficient way to find the perimeter of a square? The 4 sides of a square have equal lengths, so the perimeter can be determined by multiplying a side length by 4. The length of a side is 6 centimeters, and 6 times 4 is 24. So the perimeter of this square is 24 centimeters. We can describe this method using this formula. To find the perimeter of a square, multiply a side length by 4.